Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Real People, Real English. I'm Emma.
And I'm Henry. Hello, friends. It is so good to be back with you again.
Henry, today I have a challenge for you.
A challenge? I'm a little bit scared. What kind of challenge?
Today, I am going to ban one word from your vocabulary.
Ban a word? Which word?
The word is very.
Very? But I use that word all the time. I say very good, very happy, very tired. I love that word.
I know you do, and that's the problem. Today, we are going to stop saying very and start using more powerful, more beautiful, more impressive words instead.
So instead of saying very happy, I would say,
You would say thrilled or overjoyed or ecstatic. See? One word instead of two. And it sounds so much better.
okay, I like this. This is going to be fun.
And here's a little secret. At the end of this episode, I'm going to give you the ultimate challenge. If you can do it, your English will improve faster than you ever imagined.
The ultimate challenge? Now I'm very curious. Wait, I said very. Can I still say very?
Not today, Henry. Not today. Everyone, stay with us until the end. The challenge at the end will change how you speak English forever.
Okay, let's do this. Teach me, Emma.
First, let me explain why very is a problem.
Is it wrong to say very?
No, it's not wrong. It's not a grammar mistake. But it's weak, it's lazy, and it makes your English sound flat.
Flat? What do you mean?
Think about it this way. If I say, the movie was very good, that's okay. But if I say, the movie was incredible, that hits differently. You feel the emotion, you feel the power.
Oh, I see. Very good gives me a little feeling, but incredible gives me a big feeling.
Exactly. Very is like adding water to juice. It makes the flavor weaker. But when you use a strong, specific word, it's like drinking pure, fresh juice, the full flavor.
I love that comparison. So, very is water, and strong words are pure juice.
Yes, and today we are going to fill your vocabulary with pure juice.
Let's go. I'm ready. Give me the first one.
Okay, here's how the game works. I'm going to say a very phrase, and you have to replace it with one powerful word. If you can't think of one, I'll help you. Ready?
Ready.
Number 1, very tired.
Oh, I know this one from episode 1. Exhausted.
Yes, exhausted. I'm not just very tired, I'm exhausted. It means you have zero energy left. Your body wants to collapse. Perfect, Henry.
That felt good. Next one.
Number 2, very happy.
Thrilled?
Thrilled is great. Thrilled means extremely happy and excited. I'm thrilled about my new job. She was thrilled to see her old friend. But there's another one too. Do you know it?
Overjoyed?
Yes, overjoyed. Overjoyed means so happy that your heart feels like it's going to burst. She was overjoyed when she heard the news. Two great options, thrilled or overjoyed.
I'm going to use thrilled today. I'm thrilled about this game.
Good. Number 3, very scared.
Very scared. Let me think. Terrified?
Yes, terrified. Not just a little bit scared. Terrified means your whole body freezes, your heart pounds, you can't move. I'm terrified of spiders. He was terrified during the storm.
I'm terrified of this game because you keep testing me.
You're doing great. Number 4, very cold.
Very cold. Freezing?
Freezing! Perfect! It's freezing outside. My hands are freezing. This is one of the most common replacements for very cold. Everyone understands it, everyone uses it.
And it sounds so much better than very cold. Next.
Number 5, very hot.
Very hot. The opposite. Boiling?
Yes, boiling. It's boiling outside. I'm boiling in this jacket. You use boiling for weather and also for how you feel. It paints a picture. You can almost feel the heat.
Freezing and boiling. I love those. They're so expressive.
Expressive. Great word, Henry. That means showing feeling clearly and strongly. Okay, number 6. Very hungry.
Oh, I know this one because of the 5-year-old from last episode. But this time, it's a different word. Very hungry is starving.
Starving. I'm starving. I haven't eaten all day. Can we eat soon? I'm starving. It's dramatic and fun, and everyone uses it in daily conversation.
I'm starving right now, actually. Can we take a snack break?
No snack break. We keep going. Number 7. Very big.
Very big. Enormous?
Enormous. Enormous means incredibly big, huge, massive. The elephant was enormous. They live in an enormous house. You could also say huge or massive. All three work perfectly.
Enormous, huge, massive. 3 options for one very. I like having choices.
Number 8. Very small.
Very small. Tiny?
Tiny. Tiny means extremely small. The baby had tiny fingers. We sat in a tiny cafe. It's a sweet word. It makes things sound cute and delicate.
Like a tiny 5-year-old grammar professor.
Exactly like that. Number 9. Very funny.
Hilarious!
Yes, hilarious means so funny you can't stop laughing. That movie was hilarious. Henry's Chicken and Kitchen story is hilarious.
I knew that story would follow me forever. Okay, what's next?
Number 10. Very sad.
Very sad. Devastated?
Devastated. This is a very strong word. Devastated means extremely sad, almost broken by sadness. She was devastated when her dog passed away. He was devastated by the news. Use this for deep, serious sadness.
That's a heavy word, but it's good to know.
It is. Sometimes we need heavy words to express heavy feelings. Okay, number 11. Very beautiful.
Gorgeous? Stunning?
Both. Gorgeous means extremely beautiful. Stunning means so beautiful it takes your breath away. The sunset was gorgeous. She looked stunning in that dress. What a stunning view. Both are powerful upgrades from very beautiful.
I think this podcast is stunning, Emma.
Thank you, Henry. Number 12. Very bad.
Terrible? Awful?
Both work perfectly. Terrible and awful both mean extremely bad. The weather was terrible. I had an awful day at work. The food was awful. You can use them interchangeably.
Good to have 2 options. Next.
Number 13. Very boring.
Very boring. Dreadful?
Dreadful works, but there's an even better one. Mind-numbing.
Mind-numbing? That sounds intense.
It is. Mind-numbing means so boring that your brain stops working. The meeting was mind-numbing. That lecture was mind-numbing. Your mind goes numb. It stops feeling anything because it's so bored.
I've been in some mind-numbing meetings. My eyes were open, but my brain was sleeping.
We all have. Number 14. Very important.
Crucial? Essential?
Both are excellent. Crucial means extremely important, so important that everything depends on it. This meeting is crucial. Essential means absolutely necessary. You cannot live without it. Water is essential for life. Practice is essential for learning English.
I think this vocabulary is essential for every English learner.
I agree. And our last one, number 15. Very easy.
Effortless.
Effortless. Effortless means so easy that you don't even need to try. No effort at all. She made it look effortless. Speaking English will feel effortless one day.
I like that. It gives you hope. One day, English will feel effortless.
It will. With practice and consistency, it absolutely will. Okay, let's do a rapid review. I'll say the very phrase, and Henry, you give me the powerful word. Fast. Ready?
Ready. Let's go.
Very tired.
Exhausted.
Very happy.
Thrilled.
Very scared.
Terrified.
Very cold.
Freezing.
Very hot.
Boiling.
Very hungry.
Starving.
Very big.
Enormous.
Very small.
Tiny.
Very funny.
Hilarious.
Very sad.
Devastated.
Very beautiful.
Stunning.
Very bad.
Terrible.
Very boring.
Mind-numbing.
Very important.
Crucial.
Very easy.
Effortless.
15 out of 15. Henry, that was perfect.
I feel like a vocabulary champion right now.
You are. And if our listeners said the answers in their head along with Henry, they are vocabulary champions too.
Okay, Emma, it's time. What is the ultimate challenge you promised at the beginning?
Here it is. Are you ready, everyone?
We're ready.
The challenge is this. For the next 24 hours, do not say the word very. Not once. Not in English, not in your own language. 0.
24 hours without very? That's hard.
It is hard, but that's the point. Every time you want to say very, your brain has to search for a better word. And that search is where learning happens.
So instead of saying, I'm very tired, I have to stop and think, what's a better word? And then I say, I'm exhausted.
Exactly. Your brain gets a workout, and after 24 hours, you will be amazed at how many powerful words you used.
I love this challenge. It's like a gym workout for your vocabulary.
It is. And here's a bonus tip. Write down every replacement word you use during the 24 hours. At the end of the day, look at your list. That list is your new vocabulary.
That is such a clever method. You're learning by doing, not by memorizing.
Exactly. Learning by doing is the fastest way to make new words stick in your brain.
I'm starting my 24 hours right now.
Right now, in the middle of the podcast?
Yes, from this moment, no more very, only powerful words.
I love your energy, Henry. Let's see if you can do it. Let's do our final recap. All 15 powerful replacements.
Number 1, very tired becomes exhausted, zero energy. Your body wants to collapse.
Number 2, very happy becomes thrilled or overjoyed, so happy your heart could burst.
Number 3, very scared becomes terrified, frozen with fear.
Number 4, very cold becomes freezing, ice cold.
Number 5, very hot becomes boiling. You can feel the heat.
Number 6, very hungry becomes starving. You need food immediately.
Number 7, very big becomes enormous, huge, or massive.
Number 8, very small becomes tiny, cute, and delicate.
Number 9, very funny becomes hilarious. You can't stop laughing.
Number 10, Very sad becomes devastated. Deep, heavy sadness.
Number 11. Very beautiful becomes gorgeous or stunning, breathtaking.
Number 12. Very bad becomes terrible or awful.
Number 13. Very boring becomes mind-numbing. Your brain falls asleep.
Number 14. Very important becomes crucial or essential.
And number 15. Very easy becomes effortless. No effort needed.
15 powerful words. If you learn even 5 of them, your English will sound completely different.
This was such a fun episode, Emma. I feel like my vocabulary just leveled up.
It did, and so did our listeners' vocabulary.
Now, friends, if you are still with us, please comment your favorite word from today. Just pick one, your favorite. Write it in the comments.
We want to see which word wins. Will it be exhausted, thrilled, hilarious, mind-numbing? Tell us.
And try the 24-hour challenge. No vary for one full day. Then tell us in the comments how it went.
Before we go, please subscribe to Real People, Real English. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new episode.
And give this video a big thumbs up. Share it with a friend who always says very. Help them upgrade their English.
Thank you for learning with us today. You are not just learning words, you are becoming a more powerful speaker. And that is something to be proud of.
Yes, keep going. Keep practicing. Your English is not just getting better, it's getting stunning.
I see what you did there. Nice one, Henry.
Thank you. No more very good for me.
Until next time, I'm Emma.
And I'm Henry. See you in the next episode of Real People, Real English.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.